How to fix enable two-factor authentication Facebook problem. So if you want to fix enable two-factor authentication Facebook problem, then what you need to do is you need to go with your Google or your browser and search for find your account. And now you need to scroll down and make sure that you've specified find your account Facebook. And after that, tap on recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account email. And now you need to scroll down and tap on facebook.com/hacked. Tap on next. Now you need to enter your mobile number, or you can also search for your email or your name instead. So I'll go with email. Now you need to enter the email address and then go with search. Then now you need to tap on continue, and you can use your Google account instead of your Facebook account, or you can also tap on try another way so that you'll receive some code. You can go with send code via email, or you'll also have an option of send code through mobile number. So you just need simply tap on send code via email and go with continue, and you'll receive a 6-digit code on your email address. So you just need simply copy and paste the email address code which you've received. After that, go with continue, and now you can enter a new password, and then you can go with next, and it will ask you if you want to secure your account. You can just simply go and secure your account, or after doing this you'll be logged into your account, so create a new password, and after that you'll be logged into your account. Now you can go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and you can go with settings, which is on the top right. From the settings you can go with the account center, and here you can go with password and security, and you will have two-factor authentication. And you just need simply select your Facebook and then enter your password that you've just created, and after that go with continue, and it will enable your two-factor authentication and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.